Today, we're going to be doing something really different and fun. So let's jump in and get started. We are going to be making squishies today. And I know you're probably like, what is a squishy? It is a little squishy kind of toy that we're going to be making. So everything you need to make these comes in this kit from Let's Resin. I will link it down below in the description box. Discount code NAPTIME will give you a discount. It comes with the part A and B, the flocking powder, which is this powder here in these bags, mixing cups, stir sticks, a little container, and this cute silicone mold. That would be really cute for resin creations as well. And here's the little container for the flocking powder, and I'll explain more about that in a little bit. It also comes with little bags that you will need and detailed instructions, which I love about Let's Resin and their kits. It comes with very detailed instructions. Sometimes I've gotten kits before and there's no instructions, so it can be really confusing. But let's jump in and get started. You do need a digital scale for this. That is not included in the kit. And it is parts, equal parts A and B. So just like resin, just like silicone rubber, you're going to want equal parts A and B, and it comes with two equal size containers in the kit, one part A and one part B. So I poured in 2.5 ounces of part A, and now I'm going to pour in 2.5 ounces of part B. I was working on a few different projects when I made this video, so if you wanted to just make one of these, I would only mix up 1 ounce. I even had a bunch left over. Like to make all four paw prints, you would only need about 3 ounces. So I'm just going to mix that up for 5 minutes, just like epoxy, just like silicone rubber. You want to mix thoroughly. Scrape the bottom of the cup, scrape the sides of the cup, scrape off your stir stick. Really make sure you're incorporating those parts A and B together and getting those parts A and B completely mixed together. And I'm not really stirring fast, I'm just kind of mixing. You could also do like a figure eight motion. That also helps you get everything mixed together. I'm not, really whipping it up. I don't want to introduce a bunch of air bubbles into this. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Just mix, mix, mix. And now we're going to pour it into our molds. I was really excited to try this kit because I had never made these before and I thought it would be a really fun project. And I think the paw prints are so adorable. This is a really cute mold. And this is so easy. Like if you guys get this kit and you've never made silicone molds before, you could definitely make your own molds because this product is silicone rubber, but it's a different hardness. So it's a lot more flexible than a silicone rubber you would use to make molds. And you could see here, after I filled all those up, I still had like 2 ounces left. So you would only need about 3 ounces to make all of these. And I also had a little piece of glitter get in there, so I was just scooping that out with my stir stick. And since I had so much left over, I decided to try to make one of these squishies in a holographic mold. This mold has the holographic effect inside the mold, so I'm just going to take a little bit of that flex rubber and pour it right into the mold, fill it up all the way. And that's it. Super easy. I'm going to let these cure overnight, and then we'll be back tomorrow to take them out of the mold. So here we are 24 hours later. I wanted to see if this would fit into the plastic bags that come in the kit, but it did not. So we're just going to take it out of the mold. This was a test just to see if it worked. I wanted to see if that holographic effect would transfer. And unfortunately, this one was a fail. It did not work. So do not try this. I wanted to include this clip in the video to show you something that didn't work. In my videos, I like to show people, what works and what doesn't work sometimes because if you guys work with resin, sometimes stuff just doesn't turn out. And, if I'm going to try something, I would like to know, beforehand if someone else has tried it and it didn't work. So that was okay. It was only a tiny bit of product. I wanted to test it out, but these turned out fantastic. So to take these out of the mold, they're very stretchy. Like you can see, I was like, oh my gosh, I don't want to rip this. I did rip it a little bit on the back. So after I figured that, I was like, okay, I'm just going to go around the perimeter of the mold and pull. So I'm just going to take my finger like this and pull along the edge, and then it'll pop right out, and it didn't rip or anything like that. It turned out so adorable and cute. Just put it right on top of that flocking powder inside the container. All this stuff comes in the kit, and I think the kit is like $25, so not too bad. And you can use any clear mold with this product, which is nice. So you could make a squishy of any silicone mold that you have. And I'm just going to take the little plastic bag that comes with the kit, pop it inside the bag, and you have a finished squishy. So, so cute. These are so fun. My daughter is obsessed with things like this. I think this would be so cute to make and pass out to her classmates as little gifts or something like that, but it was so adorable. And you could even do like take a little paintbrush and do like the pink flocking powder on the paw pads of the paw print. I didn't do that. I was just trying to keep it easy. But in the instructions on the Let's Resin kit, it shows like one with pink paws and then the rest of the paw is white, if that makes sense. So like the actual paw pad is all pink and then it's white. So you could do two different colors if you wanted to. So we're going to do a pink one next. And like I said, just go around the perimeter of the mold and pull up as you're going around. And then eventually it'll pop right out. Let's Resin did tell me that you could use Vaseline. So you could paint Vaseline inside on the cavities of the mold, and that would make it easier to demold. But I didn't do that because I might want to use this mold for resin, and I know that Vaseline is going to be really hard to clean out of the mold. So keep that in mind if it's a mold that you're going to be using for epoxy or resin. You're going to have to get all that Vaseline out of there before you use it for resin. And they had told me, that the Vaseline will help pop it out of the mold. But I mean, they came out easy. Just don't pull in one spot to try to demold it. Just go around the perimeter of the mold and just be gentle and it'll come out eventually. So here's how this pink one turned out. So cute. And you only need a little bit of that flocking powder. When I made the blue one, I put way too much in the container, but you can just kind of put it back into the bag, tap the container on its side so all the product goes, easily into one side of the container so you can put it back into the bag. And there I was just trying to show you like there's no sticky residue on my gloves or anything like that. These are not sticky, they're just really flexible. So that's what makes them squishies. And for this one, we're going to be doing a white. So, so cute. These would make really cute like keychains or ornaments too, like if you wanted to use this palm mold for resin. So we're just going to shake, 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 get that flocking powder all over the paw print. This was kind of fun to do too. I kept singing that song, shake, shake, shake. And then pop it out, put it in the bag, close it up. So when you handle these, you do want to wear gloves or keep it inside a bag. That's why it comes with the bag. So you want to make sure that you're not, handling these with bare hands or anything like that. You want to make sure you wear gloves or put it in a little bag like these, or even like a little sandwich bag if your project was a little bit bigger. And now we're going to make a purple one. This purple color is my favorite. Absolutely love how this one came out. So, so cute. And the purple color is so pretty. I think this purple one would be really cute with pink paws. Take a little paintbrush, paint on some of the pink flocking powder, and then put the whole thing in the container with the purple. That would be adorable. So again, shake, shake, shake. Make sure everything is all covered, and then pop it out of the container and you're good to go. So adorable, so fun. Let me know if you would make these and which one is your favorite down in the comments. You can get this kit from Let's Resin. Discount code NAPTIME will give you a discount. It's also available on Amazon, so I will link that down below in the description box as well. I was trying to hold all four in my hand at once and I couldn't, but we have the pink, the white, the blue, and the purple. I like the blue and the purple the most, but let me know which one's your favorite. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.